Hello, I'm Philip. I'm coming from France. I often bring some friends or some guests for traveling in Huangshan. I also like to take a lot of photos. I will not say I am a photographer, but I like to take photos, to shoot photos of people. The first time I came here by bike, then we were camping there. It's a place where I'm often coming with my friends. There is water, there is mountains. Actually, the sky is blue, and we have some buffalo, right? Look, there is no people. It's easy here to make some camping, to have barbecue with friends. I often come here to take some photo, and here's a kind of green things in the city. I grew up in France in a small village close to forest and lake. So I think that here in Huangshan, I can still find this kind of quiet life. Close to the mountain, I can go to hiking. Close to the river or in the river, I can go swimming. I still want to discover more places here around Huangshan, but also want to discover nice places everywhere in China.